My name is Tanoy, and I've joined First Fit Gym for a medical reason. Actually, before this thing, I was doing gym normally as other people, but the thing is that the places where I've been were not that great. Most of the gyms in Manikonda, which I have felt, were either mostly inclined towards the money or they were like cooped up. The gym was entirely cooped up with members, and so that you wouldn't get any personalized feeling, or like they didn't care much about it. They'll just tell you to do something and they leave, and they don't look at you or correct you with any positions or anything. So I was like I said, I came here for a medical purpose. Um, I was diagnosed with a condition called vascular necrosis, also called as the osteonecrosis of my hips, both of my hips bilaterally. So due to which I had to undergo through a surgery, stem cell surgery, and after which I had to get physically strong. Since after the surgery, my muscles quantity decreased, the size decreased, and whenever I walked, it hurt. Due to which I also developed a slight ACL on my knee, and this made my knees very weak, and I was not able to walk properly and climb steps. I couldn't drive, and I pretty much hated walking. But after which I had undergone through physiotherapy as like normal individual would, but physiotherapy has a certain limit a person can go to. Then after which it's solely based on a place where you go and exercise, which is a gym. I didn't wanted to go back to the same gym which I have been before, because they never gave much about my presence. I just went there, they just told me to do something and they left. There was nothing. It's like come and go types. So a friend of mine named Dinesh, he mentioned once that he was going to a gym. I failed to inquire about this. Later he told me that come on, let's look into this gym, and I came here, and my first feeling about this gym was like it was like a typical normal gym. It looked normal. So I talked to the trainer, like he mentioned like, yes, I can understand what you have been through, and he understood what exactly I need and what I required. So I was like, fine, let's give it a shot. Anyways, even my friend is also going, so even I'm going, so let's see how this works out. And to my surprise, it actually was very good. I joined this gym at the mid of February, I guess around 18 or something there. Then within few weeks, like I guess the third week of February, I felt a slight improvement in my muscle quantity. Then more if I started working out here. By the starting week of March, I was able to drive. I didn't need my friend to come and drop me here anymore. Instead, I could drive on my own and pretty much do some things by myself. The time continued where you could like climb steps, run, do certain activities which I thought I would like have to forget about. The gym was very good. Like the trainer, he understood me very well. And matter of fact, he looked into my profile and he contacted my physiotherapist to find out and arrange a better schedule. So there would be no unleft details. Like it shouldn't compromise what they have done. Also, like I shouldn't be doing certain activities. So he had to make sure like I had to get something which is very much more personalized. Like I can't do everything that other people do. So much more personalized effort. It's not only with me, but I have also seen with other people in the gym where he gives them a personalized touch for everyone, a certain types of exercises for certain type of people, and because of which my legs improved very well. I could do many things, and I started driving car also recently, because of which whenever I used to hit accelerator before or brakes or anything, my legs used to hurt. Like there used to be a sharp recoil. but now it is not anymore. Till the pandemic, it was very good. It was very nice. When the pandemic started, the lockdown started, not the pandemic. When the lockdown started, the gyms had to be closed. So what I thought was like, again, I might go back to the same stuff, but our guy, Mr. Vivek, he was able to help me out again by doing online courses. Now people think like online gym is what do you say? It's not that great or there's nothing much to it. But actually, again, if it is an online session, he knows you when he knows you, and when he can understand what you've been through and what was your regular in the gym, he can give you the same exercises in a different way so that it will affect the same muscles and improve on it. Then after again the lockdown was lifted, I came back to the gym, and again I started doing this. So overall, I would suggest that everything was going bad before, but until I came over here, it was good. Matter of fact, I would just suggest everybody, whoever has any bone related issues also can come and approach a gym. It's not like they are fragile, because I came for a bone related condition, and because of this my muscles also improved. There's always a hope, and yeah, just believe in yourself, and the guy also believes in you, so he will push you. Even though you don't want to do it, he will make you do it more and more. Even though you're dying, he will make sure you will do it and you will complete the task. And yeah, he won't die. So I'm very thankful to First Fit Gym. Because of him, I'm able to even do many things, and gave me confidence to go even abroad. And I have to go to US for my further studies, and because of his approach, now I can confidently go over there. And yeah, I can, like he said that he would also make sure that he can keep in touch with me over there too. So as he knows my profile, like even though it's long distance, I can still he makes sure that I can still do whatever I can. Yeah. So First Fit Gym is a lifesaver. Thank you.